Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is a really exciting day. I have an unboxing for you guys, and also if you didn't notice, I cut my hair, and those who are new to the channel, I had pretty long hair, so this was a pretty big step and really exciting. But yeah, I'm really happy with the result. It's something fresh and new. I've been wanting this for so long, and it's always been sold out on the website and everywhere in the stores that I've looked at, and I really thought they weren't gonna bring it back to the collection. And then sometimes when I went to the website, they had it, and I was like, should I get it or not? And then I was like, I'll come back tomorrow, and it's gone. Anyway, now I got it because it was online, and I was like, no way, I'm not gonna miss it again. So that's why I got it, and I'm super excited to open this box. So with no further ado, let's start unboxing. Oh my god! So this is how it looks. Oops. I don't know if you can see what it says. But now you can see. Ta-da! So this is my first order from Balenciaga, so I'm super excited. It comes with this silk paper. I will open the envelope. Okay. So the envelope has a card that says, "Thank you for shopping with Balenciaga. Merci pour votre commande." I don't know how to say that, but it says it in French as well. So here. Alright. Then it also has the receipt and then returning stickers. I'm super excited. Alright. Dun, dun, dun. It's such a big box, but it has a lot of like stuffing in it, and such a small thing. But I guess you can know now what it is, or can you guess? Put this down. Ta-da! So this is the Balenciaga navy handbag. I've been looking at this for over a year now, and I really like this, especially in the pictures. But now when I see it live, I love it even more. So this has like this canvas here, and it says Balenciaga Paris, and then it's black and like this. Well, it's not pure white, but I've been looking for a bag that has white because yeah, I don't really have anything to wear if I have like white outfits or stuff. So I'm super excited for this. This bag retails for 575 euros, which is I think in an okay price for a handbag. And I got this from the Balenciaga website. So it comes with the leather strap, and it's pretty cool how it's put. So alright, so here you can see it a bit better. It's like leather here, and then it has like a canvas here. Then it has this back compartment that has like a magnet here that you can close it, so it doesn't have a zipper here. And then let me show you. Also it has this card here. It has a piece of the leather, and this is just how it's made. Yes. And then just a plain Balenciaga MT card, and then this serial number that to prove it that it's real. But yeah, this back compartment is pretty large. It has this smaller pocket here, and yeah, and it's pretty, well, it's not that flexible, but it has some, like, you can put quite a lot of stuff in here. Then this other compartment here, this is like a smaller compartment, and this doesn't have anything inside, it's just a smaller. This is pretty, it doesn't come all the way, so you can't fit that big stuff in there. Oh, it's not actually, this is not actually magnet, it's like a, what do you call it? Like a button that you push. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And the straps are pretty cool. You can take them out. I don't know if you can see, but you put it like through this hole into here, and then from this other side you have this button that you can untie and then take it out. Super happy with this bag. I'm so excited to wear it, and this will go really well during the summer, and why not winter, but I think the canvas makes it a bit more spring summerish. The strap is not that long, but you can still easily put it over you. That's it. I think I'm gonna do a review and what fits in it later on when I try it out and test it, how it works, and then let you guys know. But hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!